for my y-intercept. Remember, our y-intercept is the same thing as b. So because it's b, and because I know my slope is m, I have mx and b. I can use my slope-intercept form. So step 1, use slope-intercept form. Equation. So I'll be using y equals mx plus b. That's supposed to be together. That's supposed to be form, not for m. Sorry.
What?
That's form, not for m. I just wrote them separate. I don't know why. All right, from that equation, we're going to substitute m. And any point for x and y. So what point do y'all want to use in this equation? Any point from my table.
1, 9.
Okay, 9, 1, but yes. Why'd you choose that one? It seemed the simplest because it's the smallest numbers. All right, so that means instead of y, I'm going to put 1 because that's the number I chose to use. Equals. I know my m from my previous work. What's my m? 1/3. Because remember, m is slope. And then my x from the point I chose to use will be 9. I don't know my y-intercept because that's what I'm trying to find right now. What questions are there here?
A lot.
It's a lot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What question do you have?
No, I'm not saying question, I'm saying it's a lot.
Okay.
It's my head.
Wake it up. That means you're working out your brain. That means your brain probably hasn't been worked out in a while.
My body than my brain.
Your brain hasn't been worked out in a while, so you're working it out right now.
I don't remember last year's math class. That's it. Exactly. I don't remember doing it.
All right. And the last step, I need to solve for y. Not for y, sorry. Solve for b. How am I going to solve for b? Ella? Okay, so what am I going to do to work it out? What do I do first to isolate my b? 9 times 1/3. What is 9 times 1/3? 3. I'm going to bring everything else down. What am I going to do next to isolate that b? I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So y'all do know how to do this.
No. Well, they.
They know how to do this. All right. 3 minus 3 is gone. What's 1 minus 3? So negative 2 equals b. There's my y-intercept. Not too bad, right? It's just the thinking about it.
I was confused because I walked in my work.
All right. Let me stop that so I can do